To be or not to be? That is a question us artists are constantly given with. And you know, when you're as bored as I am, you just gotta create stuff. So, alright, it was getting a little too creepy. Today, we're drawing Peter Griffin as a manga character. Throughout the time, hopefully we get to do the other characters and, you know, we get to fill out the cast. So yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this, and let's see what Peter Griffin has to offer us as a manga character. So he'd be super strong. Alright, so here we go. I don't usually use a ruler. I know, I'm the greatest, right? But today we got to, because we got to make the manga appeal, you know? Yeah. I guess as you're watching this, I can give you some fun facts about Family Guy. Family Guy first premiered on January 31st, 1999. What a fantastic way to start a new year, you know, with Family Guy. Let's see, I got like this article from BuzzFeed. Chris's voice was inspired by Buffalo Bill from Silence of the Lamb. Sheesh. That's pretty epic. Peter and Brian stem from McFarlane's 1997 Cartoon Network short Larry and Steve. Wow, I actually didn't know that. You learn something every day with me. I'm not sure if this is true, but another fun, I guess, fun fact, the creator, I'm pretty sure he was like on the flight to, you know, like the 9/11 one, but something happened and he didn't end up going. I'm not sure if that's true or like an urban legend, but if it is, I'm glad you're still alive, man. You gotta give us great memories with Family Guy. Should make him look like he got into like a fight or something. You know, we should make this scene interesting. You know, he's got the proper expression already. We might as well go through. I think it's time to color. Alright, so I think we're pretty much finished with Peter Griffin here. I think all we gotta do is add some shading like this, and he should be ready to go. So, in order to make him look like a manga character, we gotta put him into Procreate, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. You know, like and subscribe for part 2. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You know, I hope me drawing Peter Griffin as a manga character really touched you, and you know, touched your heart. Not you. Okay. You know, if you guys want tutorials or something, comment. You know, let me know what you guys think about this. You know, if it was the shittiest video of all time, then let me know it was the shittiest video of all time. You know, it'll be a privilege to have shown you the shittiest video of all time. If I did show you the shittiest video of all time, I'll catch you hopefully next time.